Thank you, Temu, for sponsoring this video. If y'all haven't checked out my last Temu haul video, check that out. Today we're going to do a product review on this tissue. Also want to do a quick DIY to show you how to use the toilet paper. Okay, in order to make my toilet paper holder, I'm going to use these items. Like I found this scrap wood in my craft room, y'all already know. And this other little piece of like a little circular disc. And of course our toilet paper. So I'm going to get started by painting the scrap wood, they're kind of like matchsticks, if I had to kind of describe it, like match that size. And the little disc is probably about quarter size. And I'm going to just put it all together, but I'm going to paint it first, the sticks. Okay guys, so now I'm going to just paint the little sticks white and let them dry, and then we'll do our next step. Now that the sticks have been painted white, I'm going to use this super glue to attach them. And there you have it guys, a cute little toilet paper holder for your dollhouse. Simple, quick, and easy. So I want to show y'all how it actually look in my dollhouse. This of course is the little bathroom area, and that little mirror is also from Temu and also was in my last haul. But we're not talking about the mirror, but look how cute the little toilet paper holder is. And I wanted to show y'all in reference to an actual doll. This doll is about 5.5 inches tall. So that's the scale, because my whole dollhouse is 1:12 ratio, or however you say that. So I wanted y'all to see like that was it's the perfect height for this size dollhouse, as well as for this particular doll, to make it look realistic. And the toilet paper itself, guys, can actually roll out. It is so cute, but I didn't want to mess my toilet paper up. But y'all can see in the reference of the doll that everything, even look more at the toilet too, everything to me is perfectly scale. So, oh my God, I'm so excited. Thank you guys for watching this video. Until next time, I'm out this piece. Ooh, ooh.
Send your opinion for the rapper getting it wrong.